Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove labels from Google Maps. If you're tired of seeing stars, favorites, or other labels cluttering your map, I'll guide you through the steps to clean it up. Let's open Google Maps. As you can see, the map displays stars and labels for saved places. For example, if I zoom here, I can see some labels. If you want to remove a specific label, tap on it. This will open details for that location. Swipe up or over and you'll see a saved option with categories like favorites, want to go or starred places. Uncheck the relevant category, hit done and exit. The star or label will disappear from your map. However, if you have multiple labels, removing them individually can be time-consuming. To manage all your saved labels in one place, tap on Saved at the bottom center of the app. Here, you'll see categories like favorites, want to go, travel plans, labeled, and starred places. Go to any category, such as labeled. To remove them, tap the three dots next to the location and select Remove Label. Repeat this process for any other places you want to remove. If you've added a lot of locations, like restaurants or attractions during a trip, and no longer need them, this method is the easiest way to clear them out and declutter your map. That's how you remove labels from Google Maps. Thank you for watching.